I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm out here in the backyard doing the experiment itself. Never want to do any of this near your tools. You want to have it out in the open air where the fumes can get away. Sulfuric acid fumes will rust any tools that they touch. I'm wearing my old clothes and I have a pair of rubber gloves and a face shield that I'll be using when I'm actually putting the acid. Because I don't want to spend a long time testing this, I'm going to put the acid on it straight. What that means is this stuff is about 40% acid, so I'm just going to take it right out of the bottle. I've got enough in that bottle to fill this little pan. I don't have enough to fill the tall reactors, but in the reactors I mix it about 10%. Okay, I'm going to bring the camera over and get it set up. I'm going to be using a telephoto lens. I don't want my camera near the acid either. Well, like I showed you yesterday, I filed flats on this piece of threaded rod, and we're going to treat those like that's the dull part of the file. Place that down on the bottom so that it's crossing the ribs. Now we'll put enough acid in here to bring it up around the sides. I set about doing other things around the yard and gave this about 45 minutes to set. Came back and checked it and not seeing a whole lot of activity. You can see a little bit of bubbles on the end, and it is kind of foaming a bit, but it's not doing a whole lot. And we'll come back and check progress in about an hour. I gotta go change blades on the mower. Here's an update on the testing of the theory on sharpening files. Slight problem. Seems that mushroom trays will not hold sulfuric acid. Yep, it leaked out and ate up the stumps. So altogether, the whole thing's a bust. Looks like I got to make a different tray. I think I'm going to make it out of PVC pipe. But that's going to require a trip to the store, and that's going to make it a little bit difficult to complete that task this afternoon. Well, this was a total bust. But if you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.